Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Sara KAYS here, her song called When You Look at Me. This one is a sad song and yeah, great one. I like the playing here in the song, so I thought I just need to bring this one up. It's very easy. We need to set our capo here on the second fret. We only have 3 chords to handle, and if you don't want to handle the chords, you can just play the melody I just played, which is actually what is going on through the entire song. Okay, so great, let's start. We have the chords here. We can go over them, so you can choose to play them if you want. They are first F sus2. All right, so that is third on D, open G, first B, and first E. And what I do there, I bar the last 2 strings there, the E and B here on the first fret. You can do that. So that is F sus2. The next chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord is G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Alright, so those are the chords. I'm gonna start to give you this main melody, because that is actually what is more prominent here for this song, and I can just give you how to play the chords if you want to choose to do that. Alright, so let's start with the playing here, and for the F sus2 part, you're gonna play like this 2 times. So what we did there was third fret on D string, and then you're gonna play the open G and first B together. And that is the pattern. You play that for 2 times. That is the F part. The next C part is this playing. So very similar pattern there. You just switch the bass note from third fret on D string to second fret now. Second fret D string. And then you're gonna play the open G and first B together. So that is the pattern. You play that for 2 times. Alright, so that was the C part. And then the G part is played like this. Okay, so you're gonna play second fret on A string now. That's a new bass. And then you're gonna play the open G and first B together. So that was the G pattern here. This time I'm gonna play that for 4 rounds. So yeah, and that's it actually for this melody. So to repeat, F sus2 part, third fret D string, and the open G first B together 2 times. Then the second fret D string for C part, and together open G and first B for 2 times. And the G part is second fret A string, and together open G first B. You're gonna play this pattern for 4 rounds. And together everything will sound something like this for a couple of rounds. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. F, C, G. Alright, so that is pretty much what you need for this song. If you choose to play the chords, yeah, it's basically just downs for as many times as you hit the rounds here. For F, that means 2 downs, and for C, 2 downs, and for G, 4 rounds. and that actually covers Sara KAYS' song When You Look at Me. So good luck with this one, guys. If you like this, please thumb up, let me know, subscribe if you haven't yet, and play tuned.